Guys, we're back for another site visit and the tap's been installed. So, I'm going to show you the features of this cool tap. So I thought today I'm going to keep it very simple. I want to thoroughly go over this spring-loaded tap, show you a few features and understand maybe why you might want to have a spring-loaded tap. Let's flip the camera and let's go into it. Alright, so this may be a bit hard, but first things first, we can see the spring-loaded tap. And obviously we have the swivel, so it turns back and forth. Next thing I want to point out is how it pulls off. So you can, you've got all the cool features in putting it here, putting it there, like that, so you can get all in and out of your sink. Now, I'm sure everyone wants to see it turned on. Let's have a look. There we go. So this one's got a few buttons on the other side. So, button 1 stops it, button 2 changes it. So it's a good feature that if you just want to stop the water, instead of having to go back to that, you can just press the button, release the button, and away it goes. Second button, that mode. Top button, stops it. Back on, off we go. Now that is awesome. All right, so that tap got a lot of cool features. As you can see, like we talked about here, swiveling back and forth. We've got the functionality of being able to pull it down, get into either side. We've got the different buttons with the different settings. And on top of all the great functionality features, doesn't it just look cool as we've got the sun reflection in the background? Look at that. That in a kitchen like this looks amazing. So guys, if you know anyone who's a bit interested in kitchen taps, understanding what they want for looks and functionality purposes, definitely tag them in the comments below so they can get an understanding on what to do with their kitchen tap. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.